You can't spend the rest of your life alone, dressed in black, listening to angry music and staying up all night.
Yes, I can, because I'm Batman.
Don't you think it's time you finally faced your greatest fear?
Snakes?
No.
Clowns?
No.
Snake clowns.
Bruce, listen. Your greatest fear is being a part of a family again.
No, it's snake clowns because you put that idea in my head.
Sir.
Time for push-ups. 1, 2, we're going to 1,000.
That's not possible, sir.
It is possible. I'm already at 20.
You're scheduled to go to Jim Gordon's retirement party.
What? No. I don't want to do that.
You're going to have a great time.
No.
You might meet some new people.
No.
Even make some new friends.
No. No.
And before you go, we can do your favorite thing.
Tuxedo dress up.